Today I'm doing a request. Oh, this light is really bright. It's really bright. It's washing me out as well. So I got the, yeah, it's new lighting now. I might need to keep adjusting it because right now I feel like I'm getting a bit washed out. I don't know, what do you guys think? Because I feel like it's making me look a bit more pale than what I am. Because I'm like, okay, it is winter, so I am more pale than normal. But apart from that, I had a request to do a Keffiyeh scarf. Well, there's another name for it, but I forgot. I need to write it down. This is a square scarf as well, so it'll help you how to use square scarf. You can also fold one of the triangle points and wear it as like a triangle scarf. But this is like have it as an over layer because I kind of like that look because it looks a bit like a full, like a side fringe. Find this useful. It's hijab with niqab option. I want to say thank you for everyone that's been still viewing me really. But also seeing people from my really early videos and seeing them commenting now makes me really happy because I'm like, oh guys, you stuck around, you know. So yeah, thank you as well. I wore this scarf out, so if you want to see it out and if you want to see how I got this mark, this dent on my nose. If your sister's hungry, just don't mess with her, okay? Just don't mess with her. I learned my lesson. But yeah, I'm really hard for it. Anyway, if you want to watch the vlog, go ahead. It's up to you. Also, I'm getting mixed reviews on my vlog. I don't know if people like it or not. I might just add clips on it at the end. Yeah, I'll probably just add clips on it. So if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to, honestly. But if you do, let me know, because give me feedback. I would need feedback, because I don't want to bore you guys. Because I just want to make you all happy, you know? Something that you want to see. So yeah, more videos coming soon. I'm gonna be filming, not now because it's actually quite late. I need to go to bed now. Hope you all had a super amazing New Year's and hope great things come your way. And that sounds cheesy, doesn't it? Thank you so much for watching anyway. Love you all so much. Thank you. Guys, away! Okay, I don't have that much memory in my phone, sorry.
The next train to Wimbledon will arrive.
Oh, did you want a spicy one?
I know, spicy.
Let me see when I'm not food. What are you doing?
Try to read the document.
Very nice. You
I
cannot finish
swabbled
your
all
meat.
over it.